Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite compatible GPU problem. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. First, just click here and then type graphics settings, and after that make sure to turn on this option and go back, and then right click on your PC, on your desktop, and click NVIDIA control panel, and after that click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and then just close it. Now let's move to the last step. Click here, type Windows advanced system settings, type it here and then click settings, and after that advanced, change, turn off this one, click custom size, type here 1024, and now in second one just multiply 1024 with how many giga RAM you have in your PC. Like if you have 8, just multiply it with 8 multiply and then type 8. Now all you have to do just type it here and then click set and OK and OK again, and that's it. Now I hope that can help you to fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.